What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, Merry Christmas to you guys. And for the ones that don't celebrate Christmas, Happy Holidays. Now, let me ask you something. Would you like to make $600 for free? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $600 for free with one app. If that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You're watching App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $600 for free with one app. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And coming in the next video, I'm going to announce the winners of the most active subscriber contest. So that means that somebody, two people are going to win some free money. And I'm going to announce that in the next video because I'm a couple of subscribers away from getting 1,500. And I've been saying that I'm going to reward the most active subscriber some free money once I get to 1,500 subscribers. So first of all, I know I'm going to get there, and I just want to say thank you in advance to you guys for helping me get there. My next milestone is 2,000 and beyond. Now, all you have to do to be the most active subscriber is be subscribed to this channel, like this video and all my videos, watch all my videos all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word. When you see that code word, you're going to put that in the comments below. And what I'm going to do every month is going to be maybe sometime in the middle of the month or at the end of the month. I'm going to go through the comments and see who has been the most active subscriber. And I'm going to reward that person with some free money. So I'm going to do this every month. That's just me giving back to you guys for watching my videos and helping me grow. So not only that I'm providing content for you guys to learn how to make money online, I'm also giving you guys a chance to win some free money just for watching my videos and helping me grow. So if you want to be the one to win some free money, go ahead and subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. All right, enough of me rambling on. Let me go ahead and get into this one app that's going to pay you $600 for free. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet, and I'll tell you the name of this app in a few minutes. Okay, this app is available on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. So it says here, search and play from 100,000 radio stations. So what you're going to be doing is making money just listen to music. And you have over 100,000 radio stations to pick your favorite music to listen to. Earn points by playing your favorite music. So you're going to earn points every time you listen to your favorite music. Spend your points on your favorite brands. So once you accumulate these points, you can spend it on your favorite brands. They have several brands available on this website and on this app for you to choose once you accumulate enough points. So let's go down here where they have questions. So here's some of the answers to the questions that people want to know. How do I earn? The more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates. Now here's another question. How do I spend my points? Points can be spent in various ways. We're starting with an in-app premium feature that grants users the ability to record music for offline usage, and we'll be adding gift cards, cash out features, and tokens in the coming months. So you'll be able to once you accumulate those points, you'll be able to get gift cards for them or cash it out for money. All right, here's another question. This is going to be the last question I read from this. How do I earn more per play? With every tap you play, with every tap of the play button, you can earn points. The speed at which you earn is based on how much your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. Our most valuable users play frequently and share preferences generously, and we want to reward them with their contributions. So you're going to get rewarded for playing it frequently and sharing it. So, name of this app is Current, and the website is current.us. So, here's the last part and the best part about this app. You can earn up to $600 in a year. So, and they said it's based on 20 to 30 hours of offline usage per week. So all you have to do is just listen to some music offline 20 to 30 hours, and you're gonna get paid up to $600. So that's it about this app. So if you're ready to make $600 within a year, go to current.us. All right, now you know the one app that will pay you $600 for free. So go ahead and download that app and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, please hit that like button and help me get to 100 likes, because the more likes I get, the more this video will be shown on YouTube. And you know what that means? More potential viewers and more potential subscribers, because I'm trying to grow this channel as large as possible. And as I grow, I'm gonna reward you guys with more and more great online content to make money online. And I'm also gonna give away some free money and giveaways every month just for subscribing to my channel and watching all my videos. So it's beneficial for you guys to subscribe to this channel and watch my videos every time I drop one. So please just hit that like button for me. It's very, very easy. All right, drop a comment down below and tell me what you thought about this video. And speaking of comments, Dimas, I hope I pronounced your last name correctly. I saw that comment that you put in one of my videos. That means that you are watching my videos all the way through. I appreciate that. I salute you for doing that for me. So I want to say shout out to Kevin Dimas. And Kevin, if you got a YouTube channel, I know you got a YouTube channel and you're trying to grow it. Hey, guys that's checking this video out, go check out his channel. All right. And if you want to get your name or channel shout out on this in my videos, all you have to do is just leave a creative comment below. You know, make it real unique and I might just pick yours and shout your name out in the next video. Also, please share this video all around the internet and on all social media platforms, because I'm really trying to help as many people I can to make money online, to become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. I'm done. Grind family, thank you. Thank you for your support. Keep supporting. We're going to keep growing. We're going to get as big as we can. We're going to be the biggest and best channel on YouTube that's providing this information to help others all around the world. All right, one more thing before I go. I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Go check some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Check out my merch. Link in the description below.